Hello everyone. Today I'm here again on my new YouTube video and I am going to share how to manifest your dreams with clarity and purpose because 2025 is just a few days ahead and it is a great time to manifest your dreams. Watch this video till the end so that you get the maximum benefit. Imagine this, it's a start of this something new 2025 and super exciting, and you feel a spark inside you, and this is the time you can change your life. Manifest and manifestation is a hype nowadays, and I want you to have that energy, bring that energy in this video. Let's dream together, and I promise you by the end of this video you will see a powerful mind and a beautiful heart. Okay, step number 1 is sit and dream big. So you need to find your favorite spot, maybe a calming spot where you can sit by yourself, and you can also find something near your window where a little light is streaming in. Now just close your eyes for a moment and imagine this 2025. What does your life look like in 2025? So are you playing your favorite sport, or you're feeling energetic, and do you see yourself earning more, maybe saving more, okay, and saving for somebody special? Are you planning a new baby, or are you planning anything else, a bigger travel? Are you actually forming deeper connections, meeting new people? So are you picturing yourself traveling to your favorite place you have already always dreamt of? So take your time, let those images fill in your mind, write them down, not in a rushed way, but thoughtfully, like you are sketching your future. Okay. So balance your dreams. I would not say that balance, but yeah, try to balance health, wealth, relationship, career, happiness. Trust me, this simple step will make your heart more lighter, and you will find a clarity. Clarity is very important here. Now step number 2 is be specific, be clear about the specificity. So let me tell you a little story. Imagine that you are walking into a restaurant, right? And you just say to the waiter that I want some food. What would happen? The waiter would should be confused, right? Now imagine saying I would love to have a hot spicy biryani, and veg biryani or chicken biryani. That's when things start moving. Okay, it's the same with your dreams also. Saying that I want to travel isn't enough. So be specific, where do you want to go? So how many days will you spend there? The clearer you are, the faster the universe gets to work. For example, I wrote that I want to visit Australia, swim in the ocean, feel the sand, you know. And guess what, it happened. So be bold, write it all down. Okay. Step number 3 is picture your dreams. That is a very funny way to try. Create a collage of your dreams. Pick a picture of your house, maybe a villa you want to live, a garden in front of it, and the car you want to drive, and the vacation you have been planning. So save that in your phone as a wallpaper, or maybe you can stick in the mirror where you can see it every day. Okay. So that is very important. Why it is important? Because our brains don't think in words, they actually think better in pictures. Okay. So just make sure that you visualize them. So these visual cues actually remind you that you are working towards every single day. Okay. Step number 4 is feel your dreams. Now add some emotion in it. Like take one of those pictures and write a sentence and affirmation on it as if it's already going on. Okay. Use present tense for this. For example, I am driving my white color BMW car on a beautiful sunny morning, and the wind is on my in my ear, and the music is playing. See, just even involve the five senses in it, right? So that is actually putting emotion into this dream. So when you are not just dreaming, you are living in it. Then it becomes the magic. It's become the magic manifestation. Now, step number 5 is create mini movie on it. So this part is actually my favorite. So take 5 minutes each day, close your eyes, and imagine that you are living in that dream, tasting that coffee in your hand as you sit in your dream home, your villa, and hear the sound of waves as you relax on the beach if you are on a vacation, okay? So feel that happiness bubbling inside you as you have already achieved your goal. So make it as real as you can, using all your senses, as I said. Use all the five senses: eyes, nose, smell, taste, ear, everything. You start believing it, your mind starts believing in it. So when your mind start believing in it, universe start moving things in your favor. So how is this, Simon? It is beautiful thought. And step number 6 is flip the negative thoughts, okay? We all have been guilty of thinking it, that this won't work for me, or I'm not lucky enough. How can I get this villa? But if I tell you, just flip this, because start saying, universe is working for me, not against me. Universe is working for me and not against me. Repeat it daily. I will give you an example here. Something few years ago, I just um, I loved broke, and I thought, why me? But looking back, I realized that universe is clearing space for something even better. So when things go wrong, tell yourself, this is happening to make space for my dreams. Yeah. So step number 7 is stay open and grateful. Sometimes when we ask for something and it doesn't come in the same form, it comes in a different form, we resist, we just say no, no. And when we ask for red and we get a blue one, something else, we wanted a bank transfer, we get a cash, then we try and resist and say no. Imagine you're asking for a toy car, but when your parent get it, you say no, no, I wanted red one, not blue one. What happens? They get frustrated and they say that, Arey, you are already confused. I am not any which ways giving you anything. Universe works the same way. So when you are open to receive your dreams in any form, knowing it's always for my good, then gratitudes make room for more blessings. Okay. Step number 8 is commit fully. Finally, make a promise to yourself. Commit to these dreams with your whole heart. When things start to happen, maybe big, maybe small, celebrate them. Each step is a progress. Okay. So write these affirmations every day. I am worthy of my dreams. The universe is working tirelessly to fulfill my desires. पूरी कायनात लगी हुई है मेरे dreams को fulfill करने में. And I am open and ready to receive all the good coming my way. Okay. This isn't just about dreaming, it's about believing, feeling, and acting. The more you align your thoughts and actions with your desires, the closer they will come. Okay. So I have done this in my life, and I know that you can also do this. So start this today. Let the magic unfold. And if this touched your heart, hit the like button, share your dreams in the comments. And I would love to hear what you are manifesting this year, 2025. Let's together dream big and achieve and manifest